Hi there! Today we're going to unbox and set up the new Frozen Sonic Mighty Revo. The test print will be done using the new hyperfine red resin, and the demo model is Ruswa, the Sundered Sentinel designed by Blackforge Games. If you're interested in this model, you can find its link to Picks-Up in the description box below. After removing the packaging, you will find the printer, the resin vat, the toolbox, and an air purifier inside. Let's open the toolbox. You will find these accessories inside the toolbox, and they will come in handy for printing after setting up the printer. First, peel off the plastic protective film with the label on the LCD screen. Plug in the power cord and turn on the power switch. Install the air purifier and press the button to enable it when in use. After powering on the printer for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup. If you happen to miss the guide, you can access it again by navigating to Initial Setup on the System page. Click Next when you're ready to move on. You will go through the 3 different LCD test modes: Light Up, LCD Grid, and Blackened. Check if the display is in sync with the touch panel during these tests. Now let's proceed to Smart Leveling. First, secure the thumb screw on the building plate. Then, place a sheet of A4 paper on the LCD. When ready, tap Next. The plate will descend, triggering the sensors to set the printing start point. Gently pull on the 4 corners of the paper to ensure it's not too tight or too loose. Remember, all corners should have the same level of friction. Tap Finish to complete Smart Leveling. Next, we recommend using the files on the USB drive found in the toolbox for your first test print. For this demo, we will be using Ruswa, the Sundered Sentinel, designed by Blackforge Games. So we will tap on Other Resin to complete the initial setup. Before proceeding to printing, let's go through the smart features that can optimize our printing on the Sonic Mighty Revo. The Sonic Mighty Revo features a built-in heater. To access the heater settings, navigate to Heater under Tools. From there, you can activate the heater or configure the preheat function. The heater helps stabilize the ambient temperature during printing, also improving the printing success rate. In addition to the heater, the Sonic Mighty Revo also incorporates the residue detection and failure detection features. Enabling these features allows you to monitor the printing status in real time and optimize print outcomes. To adjust these features, navigate to System to find the corresponding toggles. Let's proceed to the test print once you have completed the initial setup as shown above. Before installing the resin vat onto the printer, check if the vat film is intact. Ensure that the screws at the bottom of the vat align with the slots on the printer, and securely fasten the 2 resin vat screws. Shake the resin bottle fully for a minute to prevent any precipitation. Pour the resin into the resin vat up to the max line. Insert the USB drive into the printer. Tap Print, then USB, and find the file you wish to print. Just a quick reminder, please remember to keep the UV cover closed during printing to maintain optimal print quality and prevent any external light interference. After the print finishes, open the cover and carefully remove the building plate. Tilt the plate onto a metal platter and remove the prints using a metal scraper. Remove the supports. You can utilize the washing station to remove any resin residue from the models. Once cleaned, allow the models to air dry for 1 to 2 hours in a shaded area, ensuring complete evaporation of the alcohol. Finally, utilize the curing station to post-cure the models. Now that you've completed the steps above, you're all set to embark on your 3D printing journey with your Sonic Mighty Revo. Hope you find this video helpful, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comments section. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting news from Frozen. I'll see you next time. Bye!